These viral skeleton educational videos are getting millions of views right now, and tons of creators are posting them on YouTube Shorts. Even brand new channels are jumping on this trend. I'm going to show you exactly how to make them. First, head over to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for skeleton shorts and select it. Click Start Chat to get started. This GPT model takes your script, idea, or reference image and creates text-to-image prompts for you. Let's say you want to create a video about taking protein powder. Type that into the GPT model, and it'll give you 6 different text-to-image prompts to choose from. Copy the first one. Now go to OpenArt and click on the Image tab. Click Create Image and select the model Nano Banana Pro. Paste your text-to-image prompt. Here's what's important. You need to upload a reference image of a skeleton in the Omni reference section. I've included skeleton reference images in the video description. Grab one you like. Now set your image size to 9 by 16. Set the resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want. In this case, I'm generating 2. Click Create Image and wait for your results. Copy the next text-to-image prompt and paste it back into OpenArt. Click Create again. Do this for all the prompts the GPT model gave you. Now you'll have a series of images that tell a story. Once you have your images, download them one by one. Go to the Video tab and select Image to Video. Choose Kling 2.6 as your model. Upload your image and type in a video prompt. Describe what motion or action you want to see. Set the duration to 5 seconds and turn audio off. Do this for every image you created. You'll end up with videos like this. For the voiceover, go to Elevenlabs and paste a script from ChatGPT. Generate your voiceover with realistic AI voices, and you've got a viral-ready YouTube short.
What will happen if you take protein powder for 30 days? Day 1. You make it easier to hit your daily protein intake.
You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.